Hello, I am developer Shaurya. I welcome you to lecture 2 of our HTML course. In this video, we are going to set up everything which we will need in this course as we move further, like VS Code for writing our HTML codes, a GitHub account to maintain our code bases, and whatever we are going to learn and code in this course, we are going to upload each and every code on our GitHub account. I hope you have watched the intro video and you know everything about this course. If you haven't watched the intro video, please pause this video here. Go and watch the intro video first because it will help you to understand the flow and structure of this course. Now let's move ahead. If you have installed the VS Code and you have a GitHub account, you can skip 2 chapters and move to the third chapter. If you haven't VS Code and GitHub account, then you should watch the full video. This video is all about getting started and set up everything for our course. Because from the next video, we are going to start our actual course. The actual coding or the actual course start from the next video, where we will start learning about HTML and understand the fundamentals of HTML. So the very first step is you have to just open your favorite browser. I'm opening Google Chrome, and in the search box you have to write GitHub and hit enter. Then you have to click on the first link. You will visit the GitHub website. It's pretty good. Now in the right corner you can see there is a button for sign up. You have to click on it. Now you have to fill up all the details. So in the email you have to write your email and then password. Write your password. Now click on the continue button. Then you have to simply verify your account. So I will go for the visual puzzle. Once it is done, you have to submit the code which you will receive on your email. So let me enter my Now you have to use your username or email and your password, and you can sign in with your account. So let me sign in. So once you will sign in, you will get your GitHub account, and this is your profile. This is the profile, and this is your repositories, your projects, packages, and stars. So from here you can build a new repository. We will study more about Git and GitHub in the upcoming videos. I will publish one complete video where I will teach complete Git and GitHub. For now, we are done. Open your Google Chrome. Once it is open, in the search box, type VS Code and hit enter. Click on the first link. Now click download for Windows button, and download process is going to be start. After it's downloaded completely, then click Ctrl+J. You will be redirected to downloads page, and then click on the link. You will get this pop-up message, and click on I accept the agreement, and then click on next. Now check all the boxes and then click on next. Now click on the install button, and it is going to be installed automatically. Now click on the finish button, and then you are going to see this VS Code starter page. Simply close the welcome page and close this window. Close this Google Chrome too. Now you are going to see this Visual Studio Code icon, desktop icon here. This means you have successfully installed the VS Code in your system. I want you to open your browser. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay, it's perfect. We are learning HTML, so we will write HTML docs in our search box. Why we are writing this, I will tell you later in this video. If you want to learn Python, then write Python docs. But for now, we will write HTML docs as we are learning HTML and hit enter. Now you will see this first link, which is MDN Web Docs by developer.mozilla.org. Click on it. As you enter the website, you will see tons of tutorials. There are lots of contents on HTML. So the main question is, why learn from the docs? One of the best resources for learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript is MDN Web Docs, created by Mozilla. It's trusted by developers all over the world. Unlike random blog posts or outdated tutorials, MDN gives you accurate, up-to-date, well-defined and well-explained information straight from the standards. You will find examples, definitions, syntax, use cases and even browser support all in one place. Learning from docs helps you become independent. You won't just copy paste, you will understand how things actually work. And the best part, as you grow, reading docs becomes a superpower. It saves time, clears doubts instantly, and makes you a better developer. These all tags used in HTML. When you click one of them, like head tag, you will redirect to a page where you can read everything about head tag. You will see examples how to use it. If you want to learn about HTML, click on learn, then go to HTML. Now you can see there is a whole tutorial to learn about HTML. But the problem is you cannot understand everything. That's why we take classes or watch videos to understand the things, grasp knowledge and clear your concept and doubts. And my ultimate goal is to make you a better coder who can solve problems by its own and can learn and explore more about whatever I am teaching to you. Explore this website in your free time and increase your theoretical knowledge. Introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language, it's a markup language used to structure content on the web. Or you can say it is the standard language for creating web pages which defines the structure and content of a website. Let's understand the meaning of hypertext markup language. Hypertext refers to the ability to link other documents or resources, like we use a tag followed by href with link to link other pages. While markup language means it uses text to define elements like heading, paragraphs, images, and more. Every website you see, whether it's a simple blog or a complex web app, starts with HTML. It's the backbone of any web page. With HTML, we define elements like headings, paragraphs, images, videos, buttons, and more. It tells the browser what to show and how to show it. HTML uses tags and each tag has a specific role. For example, h1 tag used for headings, p tag used for paragraphs, and img tag used for images, and so on. Let's understand the structure of HTML. This is a simple structure or boilerplate of HTML, which starts with the declaration of doc type, then HTML. Under HTML tag, we use head tag for SEO and page optimization. As you can see, there is one metadata and other is title. So metadata is used for SEO and title is used to provide title of the web page. Then comes body tag. Under body tag, we write the content of web page. So whatever you see on a website, the whole content is written under body tag. Like we use headings, paragraphs, articles, images, videos. There are lots of things. Those all comes under body tag. After that, we simply use HTML close tag to end everything. And do not worry, we will discuss everything in details in our upcoming lectures. This is just introduction with HTML to make you familiar and understand the things quickly. Before we start coding in HTML, let's talk about the tool we will use, that is VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So the question is, why do we use it? Why not just Notepad or something else? So there is lots of reason to use VS Code. VS Code is completely free to use and it runs smoothly even on low-end systems. It doesn't take much space or memory. It highlights HTML tags, attributes, and values in different color, which helps you to spot mistakes easily and understand your code better. In VS Code, as you type, it suggests tags and closes them for you. And you will also get extension support, so you can install extensions like Live Server, which lets you see your website live in the browser and it refreshes automatically when you save them. VS Code has multiple language support, so it not only support HTML, you can use it for CSS, JavaScript, Python, and more. VS Code interface is so simple and clean. Even if you're just starting out, you will get used to it quickly. VS Code has built-in terminal, so you don't need to switch windows to run commands. You can open a terminal right inside VS Code. There are lots of reasons to use VS Code, so just trust me blindly and use it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. If you haven't watched the intro video, click on my suggestion, and if you have watched the intro video, then click on watch next. Keep supporting, keep growing. I am here to help you in your coding journey. Let's meet in the next video.